In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Robinhood platform in your web browser and make the most of its features. Whether you're new to investing or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the essential steps to get started and manage your portfolio with confidence. Let's begin by accessing Robinhood through your preferred internet browser. Head over to the Robinhood website and log in with your credentials. Make sure your login information is secure and avoid accessing your account on public computers for added safety. Once you're logged in, you'll probably want to find a stock, ETF, or future to invest in. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see a search bar. Click on the search icon, then simply type in the name or ticker symbol of the investment you're interested in. As you type, a list of matching results will appear. Click on the one that you wish to view in detail. When you've decided on an investment, you'll notice options to either buy or sell. Click on the appropriate button based on what you want to do. Next, you'll need to choose your order type, for example, market or limit order, and then enter the amount you wish to invest or the number of shares you want to buy or sell. Once you've filled out the details, take a moment to review your order carefully. Double check that everything looks correct. When you're ready, hit the submit button to place your order. To keep track of your investments, head over to your portfolio. You can get there by clicking on Account, then selecting Investing. Here, you'll find a complete overview of everything you own on Robinhood. It's a helpful way to monitor your holdings and see how your investments are performing. If you want more information about a particular stock, just click on it from your portfolio. When you scroll down the page, you'll see additional insights like recent news articles, upcoming or past dividends, earnings reports, and interactive charts showing the stock's performance over time. These resources can be incredibly valuable in helping you make informed investment decisions. If you'd like to stay on top of price movements for a specific stock, look for the bell icon on its page. Clicking this icon will turn on price alerts, which means you'll get notified if the stock's price hits a certain point. This is a great way to keep track of opportunities without needing to constantly check the app. Lastly, managing your funds is straightforward. Click on transfers to either deposit money into your account or withdraw funds. Make sure to review your transaction details before finalizing any transfers. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to search for stocks, execute trades, view your investments, stay updated with alerts, and manage your money. All from the Robinhood browser platform. Happy investing.